Hello guys, today I have something awesome to show you. It's a modification I made on my key machine. Well, one of them because I own two of them, of key machines. This is the Dominion Lock model KMU key machine. It's a manual key machine, rather it was a manual key machine. Now it's semi-automatic. I made a conversion for it out of nothing but just cheap car part, used car part, and a little bit of home machining. I entirely rebuilt the machine, new cutter, new bushing, new belt, new brush, and everything is new on this machine, so it's very accurate. Now I got the, sorry, I will just block everything for 2 seconds, and now it's semi-automatic. So I will just copy a key for this awesome old Yale padlock with it. Just jam that in the jaw. Select the proper key blank, which is a Y1. Just jam it on the vise. Check the alignment. That's not right. Just align it properly. Just make sure it don't rub. And it's perfect, I think. Yeah. And I will now cut the key. Go away easier, then it's not recommended to do that, but I do it anyway. Yeah, the machine go a lot smoother this way, and as you can see, the key work for that old Yale padlock, which are pretty tight tolerances, and what the key looks like. So thank you for watching, guys, and let me know what you think about it.